Healthy, lustrous hair is often seen as a sign of vitality and beauty. It's no wonder that hair problems can be incredibly distressing. Hair loss, dandruff, and slow hair growth are common concerns that affect millions worldwide. The good news is that understanding the science behind these issues can empower you to take control of your hair health. This essay will delve into the science of hair, exploring the causes of common problems and providing evidence-based solutions. We'll unravel the mysteries of the hair growth cycle, explore the role of genetics and hormones, and uncover effective treatments backed by scientific research. Whether you're struggling with a specific hair concern or simply want to learn more about maintaining healthy hair, this guide will provide valuable insights and practical tips to help you achieve your hair goals. Let's embark on this journey to unlock the secrets to healthier hair together. To understand hair problems, it's crucial to grasp the basics of the hair growth cycle. Every strand of hair on your head goes through a continuous cycle of growth, rest, and shedding. This cycle is divided into three main phases: anagen, catagen, and telogen. The anagen phase is the active growth phase, lasting several years. After anagen, the hair follicle enters the short catagen phase. During catagen, the follicle shrinks and growth slows. In the telogen phase, the follicle rests for a few months. Eventually, the old hair sheds and new hair begins to grow. Disruptions in these phases can lead to hair problems like hair loss. Hair loss, also known as alopecia, is a common concern for both men and women. It can manifest in various ways, from gradual thinning to sudden bald patches. Understanding the causes is crucial for finding solutions. Androgenetic alopecia, or pattern baldness, is driven by the hormone DHT. DHT causes hair follicles to shrink, producing shorter, finer hairs. Over time, this leads to noticeable hair loss. Telogen effluvium, triggered by stress or illness, disrupts the hair growth cycle. More follicles enter the resting phase prematurely, causing shedding. Several treatments can help address hair loss. Minoxidil stimulates hair growth. Finasteride blocks DHT production, slowing hair loss. Hair transplant surgery can restore hair in thinning or bald areas. Dandruff, a common scalp condition characterized by flaking and itching, can be embarrassing and frustrating. Contrary to popular belief, dandruff is not caused by dryness, but by an overgrowth of a yeast-like fungus called Malassezia globosa. This fungus is a natural inhabitant of the scalp and typically doesn't cause any problems. However, certain factors can create an environment where it can proliferate excessively, leading to dandruff. These factors include an oily scalp, as Malassezia globosa thrives on sebum, the natural oil produced by the scalp. An oily scalp provides an ideal breeding ground for this fungus. Sensitivity to oleic acid is another factor. As Malassezia globosa breaks down sebum, it produces oleic acid, which can irritate the scalp in some individuals, leading to inflammation and flaking. Stress and hormonal fluctuations can also affect sebum production and the skin's immune response, potentially contributing to dandruff flare-ups. Dandruff is not contagious, and it's essential to understand that it's a manageable condition. Identifying the underlying factors contributing to your dandruff is crucial for finding effective treatments to control the overgrowth of Malassezia globosa and alleviate the symptoms. Combating dandruff effectively involves controlling the overgrowth of Malassezia globosa and managing the scalp's inflammatory response. Several treatments can help achieve this. Shampoos containing antifungal ingredients like ketoconazole, selenium sulfide, or zinc pyrithione can effectively inhibit the growth of Malassezia globosa. Tea tree oil has natural antifungal properties and can be used as a natural alternative or in conjunction with antifungal shampoos. Shampoos containing salicylic acid can help exfoliate the scalp, removing dead skin cells and preventing the buildup of flakes. Since stress can exacerbate dandruff, incorporating stress-reducing techniques like exercise, yoga, or meditation can be beneficial. It's important to note that finding the right treatment for your dandruff may require some trial and error. If over-the-counter shampoos don't provide relief, consult a dermatologist to explore other options such as prescription-strength antifungal medications. Hair growth is a complex process that involves specialized cells called keratinocytes. Keratinocytes are the building blocks of hair, producing keratin, a fibrous protein that gives hair its strength and structure. These cells originate in the hair follicle, a small sac-like structure located beneath the skin's surface. Within the hair follicle, keratinocytes multiply and differentiate, gradually moving upward and forming the hair shaft. As they move away from their source of nutrients, keratinocytes undergo a process called keratinization, where they lose their nucleus and become filled with keratin protein. This process hardens the cells, forming the tough yet flexible structure of hair. The hair shaft itself is made up of 3 layers. The outermost layer, consisting of overlapping scales that protect the inner layers of the hair shaft. The middle layer, containing keratin bundles that provide strength and elasticity to the hair. The innermost layer, which is not always present in every hair. Understanding the role of keratinocytes and the structure of the hair shaft provides insight into the factors that can influence hair growth and strength. Proper nutrition, blood circulation, and overall scalp health are crucial for supporting the activity of keratinocytes and promoting healthy hair growth. While genetics plays a significant role in determining hair growth rate, several factors can be optimized to support healthy hair growth. A balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals is essential for providing the building blocks for hair growth. Include foods rich in biotin, zinc, iron, and vitamin D, as deficiencies in these nutrients can contribute to hair loss. In some cases, supplements like biotin, zinc, or iron may be beneficial, especially if dietary intake is inadequate. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements. LLT devices such as laser combs or caps emit low-level lasers that can stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that LLT may be a promising treatment option for certain types of hair loss. Regular scalp massage can help improve blood circulation to the scalp, delivering nutrients to the hair follicles and promoting hair growth. Stress can have a profound impact on our overall health, including the health of our hair. When we experience stress, our bodies release hormones like cortisol, which can disrupt the delicate balance of the hair growth cycle. Elevated cortisol levels can push hair follicles into the telogen or resting phase prematurely, leading to increased shedding and hair loss. Stress can also constrict blood vessels, reducing blood flow to the scalp and depriving hair follicles of essential nutrients. Moreover, stress can trigger inflammation throughout the body, including the scalp, which can damage hair follicles and impede hair growth. Managing stress through techniques like exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature can positively impact hair health. Just like any other part of our body, our hair needs a steady supply of nutrients to grow and thrive. A balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals is crucial for providing the building blocks for healthy hair. Protein is essential since hair is primarily made up of protein, so ensure you're consuming enough protein-rich foods like meat, poultry, fish, beans, and lentils. Biotin, a B vitamin, plays a vital role in hair growth and strength. Include biotin-rich foods like eggs, nuts, seeds, and sweet potatoes in your diet. Iron deficiency is a common cause of hair loss, especially in women. Consume iron-rich foods like red meat, spinach, and lentils. Zinc is essential for cell growth and repair, including hair follicle cells. Include zinc-rich foods like oysters, nuts, and seeds in your diet. In addition to a healthy diet and stress management, certain lifestyle changes can make a difference in your hair health. Avoid smoking as it constricts blood vessels, reducing blood flow to the scalp and damaging hair follicles. Limit alcohol consumption because excessive alcohol intake can deplete the body of essential nutrients needed for hair growth. Get enough sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, as sleep deprivation can disrupt hormone levels and affect hair growth. Protect your hair from the sun, as UV rays can damage hair, leading to dryness, breakage, and color fading. Wear a hat or use hair products with UV protection when exposed to the sun. Achieving and maintaining healthy hair requires a holistic approach that addresses both internal and external factors. By understanding the science behind hair growth, the causes of common hair problems, and the evidence-based solutions available, you can take control of your hair health. Remember that patience is key when it comes to hair care. It takes time for hair to grow, and results from treatments may not be immediate. Be consistent with your chosen treatments and lifestyle changes, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice from a dermatologist or trichologist if you have concerns about your hair health. By embracing a holistic approach to hair care, you can nurture your hair from the inside out, promoting its health, vitality, and natural beauty.